Okay, so this is the end of object-oriented programming. And after going through this module, you should know what an object is, how to create an instance of an object, understanding what the type of an object is, the object life cycle, and the fact that it's defined, it's then instantiated, it's accessed and modified, and then finally it's deallocated or just destroyed. That's in there. You should know what a class is. You should know how to create your own objects using custom classes, and understand the differences between class properties, class and instance properties, and then how to create multiple instances of a class, the basics of class inheritance, and the differences between like parent and child class, and then also a brief understanding of these dunder methods, such as the dunder init and dunder stir. This module, I'm not going to lie, was a lot shorter than I expected to, and that's because I didn't go into too much detail about object-oriented programming. I gave you kind of a very brief overview of it and how to do it in Python. I didn't want to get into the advanced topics for you. What I want you to do is practice. So go out and practice in creating classes and working with them, and creating multiple instances of that. And so that's why I made this really short for you, but I really want you to practice these things out and really kind of get a good understanding. And now that you've got that, I'm really proud of you. You've done a great job. You are an object-oriented programming master, at least at the basic level, and hopefully we can move on to more advanced topics of this area. And so great job. You've made it to the end of this module.